Hello and welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to bake a classic with a modern twist. A delicious, light and fluffy vegan Victoria sponge cake. It's perfect for afternoon tea, a birthday, or just a treat for yourself. And the best part, it's completely dairy and egg-free. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 220 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 200 grams of castor sugar, 120 milliliters of sunflower oil, or any neutral flavored oil, 240 milliliters of unsweetened plant-based milk like soy or almond, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and grease and line 2 20-centimeter, 8-inch round cake tins. In a large bowl, sift together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. This helps to create a lighter, fluffier cake. Give it a good whisk to combine everything evenly. Now for the wet ingredients. In another bowl, pour in your plant-based milk, sunflower oil, and vanilla extract. Whisk them together until they are well combined. Now, add the castor sugar and whisk again until it's fully dissolved. The key to a great cake is a good mix. Here's our secret weapon, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. When combined with the baking soda, it creates a chemical reaction that helps the cake to rise beautifully. Give it a quick whisk, and you'll see it start to bubble slightly. Now, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Using a whisk or a spatula, gently fold everything together. Be careful not to overmix. We only want to mix until there are no streaks of flour left. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Divide the batter evenly between your 2 prepared cake tins. Give each tin a gentle tap on the counter to release any air bubbles. Carefully place the tins in your preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they are golden brown, springy to the touch, and a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in their tins for about 10 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This is a very important step. If you try to frost them while they're warm, the frosting will melt. While our cakes are cooling, let's make our vegan buttercream and prepare the filling. You'll need 200 grams of vegan butter, softened, 400 grams of icing sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a bowl, beat the vegan butter with an electric mixer until it's light and creamy. Gradually add the icing sugar, a little at a time, mixing well after each addition. Once all the sugar is incorporated, add the vanilla extract and beat for a few more minutes until you have a smooth, fluffy buttercream. For the classic Victoria sponge filling, we'll use a good quality strawberry or raspberry jam. Now for the best part, assembling the cake. Place one of the cooled sponges on your cake stand or serving plate. Spread a generous layer of your favorite jam over the bottom layer of the cake. Then pipe or spread a thick layer of your vegan buttercream on top of the jam. Gently place the second sponge on top, pressing down just a little to secure it. For that final beautiful touch, dust the top of the cake with a little more icing sugar. And there you have it, a perfect vegan Victoria sponge cake. It's moist, light, and completely delicious. It's proof that a great cake doesn't need eggs or dairy.